People of the World, Part 3.
Greetings, my Facebook friends. My name is Manjeet, and today it is my son Sanjeet's day of birthing. I apologize profusely for making notes as my English is not very good. Today, Sanjeet make me very proud. He become great doctor. He was at one time looking after my corner shop. But a million times I tell him, Sanjeet, do not throw away the bananas because they are bent. And all he say is, 1,000 apologies. I say they are meant to be this way, Sanjeet. When will you learn? Anyways, as it is his day of birthing, to celebrate, I am to be making him his favorite meal, which consisting of chicken tikka buna with plenty coriander and tarragon. And for starters, I make onion bhaji and vegetable samosas. And not forgetting the papadum. You must have the papadum. Also, we will play much music. Sanjeet's little brother, Abdul, he made him a musical instrument. He very clever young man. He made a drum consisting of the drum shape, and inside is the chickpeas. And you shake like so, and it makes wonderful noises, so musical. Abdul is also very clever, as he made this while in hospital. He had to go to hospital, as he still had his tickle tackle, and he had to have it removed, as it is not right. So very well done, Abdul, for making this gift for your brother Sanjeet. It's very nice. Also as well, we play many songs. We have the music, we have the musical instruments, but also I must play Sanjeet's favorite song, which I find myself quite funky. It's very good. So,